The kitchen is often described as the heart of the home, but all too often, it becomes the dumping ground of the home. Mail piles up on the counter, small appliances jostle for outlet space, and decorative knickknacks gather grease and dust. It is no wonder that the minimalist kitchen trend has exploded in popularity. However, a common misconception persists that minimalist means empty. Many homeowners fear that adopting a minimalist aesthetic will leave their kitchen looking clinical, sterile, or devoid of personality. True minimalism isn't about deprivation. It is about intentionality. It is about clearing away the distractions to let the things you truly love and use shine. If you are ready to transform your cooking space into a serene, clutter-free sanctuary that still feels warm and inviting, read on. This is your ultimate guide to decorating a minimalist kitchen without the clutter. 1. The foundation. Function before form. Before you buy a single vase or paint a single wall, you must address the root cause of kitchen chaos. Functionality. In a minimalist kitchen, every item must earn its keep. The decoration is the utility. Audit your inventory. Start by ruthlessly editing your kitchen tools. Do you really need 3 different spatulas, an egg slicer you haven't used since 2019, and a bread maker that gathers dust? The everyday rule. Keep items you use daily on the counter or in the most accessible drawers. The occasional rule. Store items used weekly or monthly, like blenders or stand mixers, in lower cabinets. The never rule. If you haven't used it in a year, donate it. Once you have pared down, you will realize you don't need storage solutions for clutter. You just need a home for your essentials. 2. The power of hidden decor. In a maximalist kitchen, decor is added on top of the room. In a minimalist kitchen, the decor is built into the room. The goal is to reduce visual noise so the eye can rest. Seamless cabinetry takes up the most visual real estate in a kitchen. To achieve a sleek look, handleless designs. Opt for push-to-open cabinets or integrated J-pull handles. This eliminates the visual stutter of dozens of knobs and pulls. Appliance garages. Create a dedicated cabinet and appliance garage at countertop level. This allows you to keep your toaster and coffee maker plugged in and ready to use, but hidden behind a door when not in service. Integrated appliances. Whenever possible, use panel-ready fridges and dishwashers that match your cabinetry. This creates a continuous, unbroken line that makes the kitchen feel larger and calmer. 3. Curating the countertop. The rule of 3. The countertop is the battleground of minimalism. The goal is to keep it 90% clear, but that remaining 10% is where you inject personality. Avoid the temptation to leave nothing out, which looks unlived in. Instead, curate vignettes. The functional vignette. Don't decorate with fake fruit or purely ornamental statues. Decorate with beautiful versions of things you actually use. The wood element. Lean a high-quality, large wooden cutting board against the backsplash. It adds warmth and texture without taking up floor space. The ceramic element. Use a ceramic crock to hold your wooden spoons. The texture of the ceramic breaks up the sleekness of modern countertops. The green element. A small pot of fresh herbs like basil or rosemary near the window adds life and a pop of color that is also functional. Pro tip. Group items in 3s, e.g., a cutting board, a bottle of olive oil, and a salt cellar. The human eye finds odd numbers more visually pleasing and balanced than even numbers. 4. Texture over color. When you remove clutter, texture becomes the most important design element. Without piles of stuff to look at, the eye focuses on the materials. If everything is smooth, white, and glossy, the room feels like a hospital. To decorate without clutter, you must layer textures. Mixing materials. Matte versus gloss. If you have glossy quartz countertops, choose matte cabinetry to create contrast. Natural stone. A backsplash made of natural stone, like marble or soapstone, acts as a piece of art. The veining provides all the pattern the room needs, eliminating the need for busy wallpaper or tile mosaics. Warm metals. Swap out cool chrome for warmer metals like brushed brass, copper, or matte black. A brass faucet becomes a jewelry piece for the kitchen, standing out as a singular, elegant statement. 5. Lighting as sculpture. In a minimalist kitchen, lighting fixtures serve a dual purpose: illumination and art. Because walls are often kept bare to maintain openness, your lighting choices become the focal points. Statement pendants choose pendant lights over the island that have a sculptural quality. Glass globes, these offer a timeless, airy feel that doesn't block sight lines. Linear suspension, a thin, horizontal bar light emphasizes the clean lines of a modern kitchen. Concrete or ceramic shades, these add raw texture and weight, grounding the space. Ambient layering don't rely solely on overhead lights. Install under-cabinet LED strips. When the main lights are off, this soft glow creates a moody, sophisticated atmosphere that highlights your beautiful backsplash and clear counters. 6. The one-in, one-out policy. Decorating a minimalist kitchen is not a one-time project. It is a lifestyle maintenance choice. The biggest threat to your design is the slow creep of new items. Adopt the one-in, one-out policy. If you buy a new decorative bowl, an old one must be donated. If you buy a new mug, one must go. This discipline forces you to be intentional about what you bring into your space. It stops you from buying trendy items that you don't truly love, keeping your decor curated and meaningful. 7. Utilizing negative space. Negative space, or empty space, is not wasted space. In design, it is an active element that allows the architecture to breathe. Resist the urge to fill walls you do not need to hang art on every available wall. Leave the space above your upper cabinets empty. Let a large stretch of wall remain bare. This visual silence is what gives minimalist spaces their luxurious, calming feeling. If you do choose to hang art, go big. One large, framed piece of abstract art or black and white photography looks intentional and orderly. A gallery wall of 10 small frames can quickly look chaotic and cluttered in a minimalist setting. Conclusion. Decorating a minimalist kitchen is a paradox. It requires less stuff, but more thought. It challenges you to look at everyday objects, a faucet, a cutting board, a light fixture, and see them as the decor itself. By focusing on high-quality materials, hidden storage, and a disciplined approach to what stays on the counter, you can create a kitchen that is efficient enough for a serious cook, but beautiful enough for a magazine spread. Remember, you're not just clearing clutter. You are making room for life.